Upon returning to the lab, chlorophyll samples need to be filtered. A filter must be placed on each filter unit. The filters are white and separated by blue glassine discs. Care must be taken to avoid touching the filter discs themselves, and they should be kept dry. One popular method for removing the filter safely from between the blue inserts is to grasp the blue insert on either side of the filter between the index finger and thumb. Gently rubbing back and forth will work enough of the filter out that you can grab it with the tweezers. Place the filter on the center of the filter unit and place the funnel portion on top of the unit. Be sure that the valve below each filter unit is closed before adding sample to the funnel portion. Use the directions on the sampling sheet to determine the amount of sample to be filtered for each site. This is based on the Secchi disc reading for the site. Note, readings for various sites on the same lake can vary enough sometimes to change the amount of the sample to be filtered when Secchi disc readings are low, so be sure to check each site specifically. Shake each bottle before measuring out the necessary volume to be filtered using the appropriate graduated cylinder. Be sure to triple rinse the graduated cylinder between samples with deionized water. Pour the volume of the sample for each site into its own filter unit. It is helpful to place the bottle containing the remaining sample in front of the filtering unit being used for that sample as a way to maintain record of where each filtered sample was from later. Now would also be a good time to place the small plastic vials that will be used to store the filter for each sample in front of the filter unit for that sample. Turn on the vacuum pump to begin filtration. As the samples are pulled through the filter, be sure to rinse the sides of the funnel frequently with deionized water. When all the water from all the samples has been pulled through the filters, shut off the vacuum and remove the funnel part of the filtering unit. The filters must now be carefully removed and folded so they will fit into the small blue-capped conical vials. This can be accomplished by grasping the edge of the filter with one pair of tweezers and folding it in half, taco style. Use the tweezers to place the folded filter well down into the plastic vial. Repeat this process for each sample, being sure to place the filter in the correct vial for that sample. Remaining chlorophyll sample bottles should be placed in the refrigerator. Plastic vials containing the filters should be placed in the rack designated for them in the freezer.